umhla ka-30 is just a deadline. Once wadlula umhla ka-30, we will give abantu bakithi another instruction. But okwamanje, we are saying to illegal foreigners and immigrants in South Africa, please respect, honor, and appreciate the deadline. Go out of the country, let us sort out the systems of the country, and then you can come back. Because we can't say abantu bangaphandle bangezinhlobonhlobo South Africa. But we are saying uhulumeni has made abantu bokufika amaplaza belungu emaplazini. Owners of restaurant have made foreigners ama scapegoats. Bebathathe benze bona kube yiba ababalulekile kunabantu base South Africa. But let me tell you the iqiniso scheme. Uyabona abantu abasebenza ama-restaurant, all these foreigners asebenza ama-restaurant, they don't get paid. They are abused. Abelungu njengoba beqasha abantu bakithi abantsundu bako Zimbabwe, because they are very good in agriculture, so in cultivating the land. So bayahlukunyezwa, kugangwa ngabo, and they are